So my friend, not answer, he said.
Not answer.
Yeah, we were in the elevator. I'm here with my friend. Yeah, we're going to Cudies, Dubai Creek.
Cudies, oh?
Yeah, we're gonna have our iftar there. Okay, see you later.
Other company not going. Good.
Yeah, but this charging problem. With charging video.
You were
Yeah.
on my video.
Okay, no.
I upload
This one
this
vlogger
on
vlogger.
YouTube.
Kabayan, you know.
Kabayan,
Yeah. Yeah, but you're fasting, right?
Kaya.
Tataas ng building.
Kapili.
Oh.
Yan lang si Burj Khalifa.
Yan si Borge. Ito na isa. Hindi maabot ng camera ko. Nice. There you go. The Burj Khalifa. Mas maraming maganda sa side na to, no, ng mga building.
Yan yung Nasa ba seaside?
So we're heading to Cudies, Dubai Creek. Financial Center train station. Nice. Ay, ganun pala, oh. So, we travel from Al Barsha to Dubai Creek Dera. So, what you see is the famous Dubai frame. Look, this one. So beautiful. That is the Dubai frame. It's lovelier at night. So we're heading to World Trade Center. So yun yung mga pinakamatandang mga apartments dito, no? Building dito. Hindi nila pinalitan. Ever since yan pa rin. Pero na-maintain nila. World Trade Center, Metro Station. This is the famous World Trade Center. That white one. So this one of the oldest building here. Here in Dera, this is the Maktoum Bridge.
Like this time, no traffic, ah?
Yeah.
Here when I'm going home from Tempe, sleeping. 2 times sleeping, 3. See, very smooth. Pressure. Dito siya.
Yeah, we're almost there. We're going there.
Masaya.
So time check 5:30. Ang bilis ni Kuya.
Madali.
So we're here inside the Dubai Creek property. First time riding Tesla. We're heading to QD.
Tayo ka dyan.
It's like marina. Here's the entrance. So this is the place we're gonna have our iftar. It's very huge. Nakapunta na si April dito kaya ikaw naman yan.
Nagpunta na siya dito.
Parang yata, oo, dito one time. Iftar is not yet starting, so they said it's gonna be 6:30. So iftar is like breaking the fast here in the Middle East. Tsaka so, di ba may boat shape building. So this is the look of the iftar, the setup. So ayan, very nice. With my beshi. Ayan. Isa kong beshi naman kasama ko ngayon. So this is the look. And later, kain na naman. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. See you on my next video. Bye!